How to fix Santander UK app won't let you log in. Let's get started. Solution 1. Check your internet connection. Launch your settings. Go ahead and click on the option of Wi-Fi. Click on the Wi-Fi network you are connected to. Then forget this network, give a fresh restart to your router and rezone it. Likewise, you can switch your network. If you're using Wi-Fi, switch it to cellular data, and in the case you are using cellular data, switch it to Wi-Fi. Then you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Solution 2. Update the app to its latest version. For that, launch your App Store. Now at the top, you're going to see the search box. Over there, type in the app name Santander and then search for it. After app appears, at the right corner of it, you're going to see the option of open or update. If you find the option of update over here, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Then you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Solution 3. Clear cache for the app. For that, launch your settings. Scroll down, navigate to the option of general, here or to the option of iPhone storage. Over here, you're going to find different apps that are installed in your device. Find the app Santander, open it, then click on Offload app. Click on Offload app. Offloading app clears cache for the app. Now click on Reinstall app. Once you reinstall the app, you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. If all the solution doesn't work for you, what you can do is apply solution 4. That is, you'll need to completely delete this app from your device and reinstall it. For that, click on Delete App option. Click on Delete App. With that, you just deleted this app from your device. Now you can close this. Launch your App Store, search for the app Santander mobile banking app, and then install it. By applying all these solutions, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can easily fix Santander mobile banking app won't let you log in. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.